Hello everyone and welcome to Tereteknik. Today I'm back with another brand new video, and in this video I'll be talking about this beautiful Android head unit that we have installed in this BMW E91 from 2009 model. Originally it didn't have any kind of screen or anything. It's if you have a E90, 91, 92 or 93, you're probably familiar with it. They have just a dashboard, and you can install in retrofit original head unit here in some cars, but in this case we have cut the dashboard and replaced it with a vertical screen like the newer models, and even the newer models doesn't have these kind of screens, but and the fitment you can see is on point, and on both sides it really depends on how you cut it, and we do send the diagram where you can put, and then you can cut the dashboard. So looking wise it looks really beautiful, and this is an Android head unit, so it has all the basic Android functions. I will shortly explain it to you. It comes with a built-in Wi-Fi, or you can insert a SIM card in it to use the internet. Then it also has the built-in Bluetooth, which will allow you to call somebody, sync all of your contacts here, or use BT Music, so you can play songs from the phone to the car. You can of course access your original screen if you had one, but this one didn't have it, so if you click here it's just time here. Then you also have a function to play music or songs or videos externally through USB ports that we have installed on this side. You just insert a USB or even a memory card, and you can play videos as well as the music. We have the quality of the screen is really good. It's Ultra HD, and this screen is also 64N4 with the latest processor, Snapdragon. Then you have some cool features as dashboard. You can also access your dashboard, all the data, not really all the data, but almost all the data. It shows you how much liter you have exactly in the tank. It doesn't show on the original one. It also shows you the handbrake, seat belt, the temperature, the rev counter, the speed limiter. You also have some cool dashboards that you can change to Eco or Sport. Then it also has an Apple CarPlay function. If you want Apple CarPlay, you can have a built-in Apple CarPlay Z-Link, so as soon as you connect your phone via Bluetooth, you will be able to use the Apple CarPlay in the same screen. So if you have an iPhone, you can get the Apple CarPlay as well. Then it also has the DSP equalizer function, which is another cool feature which comes with all of our screens. So when you when you play any music, you can use DSP and change the quality of the sound on a very higher level. By installing this screen, you don't need to worry about losing any of your original car functions, such as steering wheel controls or any kind of. This car doesn't have many, but parking sensors, for example. If you have original menu, original screen, if you have functions in it, you will be able to access it for all the cars out there. These are model compatible products and not universals one, so they are 100% compatible with the car's CAN bus system. An example is 669, the RPMs. It's showing the live data from there. Then it's basically an Android stereo, so you have Play Store. You can download any kind of application such as YouTube, Spotify, Netflix, any kind of maps, navigation, and you can use it in the car. You can also connect a back camera with the screen, as well as a front parking camera or the front DVR camera. And the back camera works as soon as we put it in the reverse gear. This car doesn't have a back camera, or the customer didn't want it, an aftermarket one, so it will show you no signal. But if you have a camera, it will show you here. If you have sensors, it will show you the sensors on this side. You have some settings for it as well. You can turn off the lines. You can also have brightness, contrast, saturation, and as soon as you put it in the parking or the drive mode, it disappears. So this is the screen that we installed, and we have these kind of screens for almost all the cars out there. If you have any queries, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. I will also leave all the important information in the description below as well. Be very free to contact us. I will be very happy to help you out. So that's it for today. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.